So the entire purpose of Apogee Education Private Limited is to provide schools, institutes, faculty advisors, students and individuals platforms where they can grow into the role of global leaders and global citizens. These services and these platforms basically are provided through our 4 verticals. The first one obviously being the Apogee training modules, where we train students right from understanding international relations to finishing school to probably even corporate etiquette and public communication and public speaking skills. The second vertical is the Diplomathon Global Conferences, where students obviously get a chance to come in, role play as diplomats, delegates, and interact with students from across the world, where they discuss various problems and understand why certain things in the world are the way it is. The third vertical is the Apogee Edu Tours, where students in schools get a chance to travel with us internationally, get a chance to experience countries and cultures firsthand, and then look at potential partnerships or probably potential collaborations or future prospects for themselves in those countries where they could probably learn or even grow into the role of work in those particular countries as well. And the fourth vertical obviously is our strategic collaborations, wherein through our network we bring across various services which these individual students and institutions can benefit from. So being a 90s kids, I'm sure everyone would agree with me. I speak a lot about this with my students also that I interact with, is that all of us have grown up hearing a patent sentence is you have a lot of luxuries in your life that you've taken for granted, be it a laptop or a mobile phone or probably a cup or the books which come from different parts of the world. The entire purpose of Diplomathon Global Conferences is to give students a platform to understand what international relations is, how it's impacted our past, impacts our present, and continues to impact our future as well.
One of the biggest trends we've noticed in the last 1 decade in education is not just conventional methods of learning, but unconventional scenarios of understanding how the real world functions. In today's day and age, I think it has become more and more compelling for us to be able to be equipped with future fluencies, and that is why the objective of Diplomathon Global has been to create a unanimous platform which is open for everyone. It is a platform that is accessible to every student in school without having a selection criteria, and we take up the onus of developing skills amongst the youth from middle school to high school and even university. And for the same reason, keeping in mind the 21st century skill development, it's really important for us to pay attention to industry-specific requirements, just like working in teams, conflict resolution, peer-to-peer learning, understanding how the real world functions by willing to disagree with others, but in a respectful manner. Soft skills are important life learnings which cannot be explained only via the digital media. And in an era where everything is moving at a lightning fast speed, it is very important to stop, pause, and reflect upon, the situations around us, the adaptability, the possibility for us to absorb what is it that we are running for. The learning part of meeting new people, exchanging ideas, brainstorming techniques, student networking, and understanding how the real world functions has enabled us to take it one notch further. Not just are we trying to create an impact in our immediate community, in the city life, but reaching out to other places across India and the world, not leaving aside our neighborhood. Whether it is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities and even neighboring countries around, it has been our endeavor to push forth the idea of Diplomathon as a skill development platform which is accessible to everyone. It's literally like revamping social sciences in the 21st century. We are a community of billions and everyone has a part to play. We promise you that we will keep bringing newer concepts with diversity, experiential learning. All that we need is the support of you guys to be immersed in it. Because as they say, if not now, then when? If not you, then who? I would like to once again welcome you all to the Diplomathon family who've newly joined in terms of the delegates, the executive board members, the prestigious schools that are a part of these programs, heads of schools, teachers, and mostly important, parents.
It has always been a roller coaster ride when it comes to inviting institutes across globe for a platform which is aimed at international relations and geopolitics. Right from discussing refugee crisis These millennials have discussed everything who donned the hat of diplomats at the age of 10 years to 15 years. Speaking about benefits, participating in such platform has always been a perk for an individual, as it definitely opens up opportunities for them in education industry and instills life skills. To make it even more easier, what we have done is we have introduced the concept of Harry Potter and Marvel, which makes it even more easier for them to understand the concept of smart thinking and strategic learning.
Education is passport for the future, as tomorrow is for those who prepare for it today. Diplomathon has taught over 1,200,000 students around the world in topics related to international relations and world affairs. First timers attending the conference are from the grades 6 and 7. As they say, build your skills, not just your resume. Besides theories, skills is what makes you rich.
We don't just learn from talking, we learn from listening as well. And what a fun opportunity would help in changing your life. Diplomathon Global is a platform where we provide students with a better understanding about countries, the relationships that the countries have among each other across the world. We also provide them with training, explaining them about the rules and procedures as well as the research methodology. We also provide an orientation in the school for the students' benefits, where we explain them international relations and geopolitics, and so that the students have a better understanding of what concepts like globalization and terrorism and trade and exports are about.
It is always said that to adapt to one's environment is the simple and yet the most complex skill that any being to survive can attain. And yet in today's world, diplomacy has become the most obscure one, due to there being almost no boundaries between countries due to civilization and globalization. The process of immersing our team from the start of the orientation to the end of the conference and the feedback we received has proven to give us strength for these conferences. As quoted by the famous Italian diplomat Daniel Varme, the art of diplomacy is to let someone have your way.
So on behalf of the entire organization, I have to first of all thank our host partners for permitting us and helping us with taking this platform to as many schools, as many cities and countries, to as many students possible. I'd like to thank the executive board members without whom this entire conference would not be possible, the delegates, the parents, the various faculty advisors who've been coordinating again, time and again, with regards to the allocations, with regards to trainings and all those aspects, and most importantly, the OC members, the Organization Council members, without whom the entire logistics and the execution of this conference would not be possible. We started off with a very small team of about 4 or 5 people from a coffee shop. Today we're a network of approximately 125 young community leaders and community outreach officers, and with their help is what Diplomathon is today, and it's going to be continuing to grow. Thank you so much.